Hi, I'm Zaid from Multisystem Technology. As we used to introduce you and show you new innovation creations which will help your business grow and be more profitable, so now I will introduce the new leather finish 3D textured wall decoration. Enjoy! So before installation, make sure that the wall is clean and free from dust. The material is flexible enough for curves, difficult edges, and ceilings. And it's easy to wrap the edges. Easy and flexible while installing. It's fire retardant, easy tiling, time saving, hassle-free, stick and peel capabilities. Easy to trim unwanted pieces. And it's bubble free. No overlapping marks. No fall if mistakenly installed. In case mistakenly installed, it's easy to cover up and tiling. Flexible to cover up mistakes with extra small reprinted pieces. Easy to wrap difficult areas and curved edges. Capability to cover up with reprinted pieces. After all panels installed, trim the edges. Easy to wrap wall baseboard, which impossible to do with glue wallpaper. After wrapping, trim unwanted pieces. For final installation, trim unwanted pieces on electrical sockets. This leather wallpaper can cover any damages on the wall. As you may notice, when we installed the wallpaper, there were a lot of damages in it. Let me show you the overlapping capabilities of this material. Can you spot the overlapping? I don't think so. In this material, it's difficult to spot the overlapping. This leather wallpaper has a textile woven back. Let me peel it and show it to you. Here's our material. So now I'll peel it. As you can see here, there's the back of the material, and here's our woven back. On a wall decoration, it's a new innovation to make your business grow without facing any problems. As you all know, for cheap competitive products, it's difficult to achieve this quality. For cheap competitive products, you have to go through a lot of printing challenges to achieve this quality. For low-class materials, after installing your wallpaper for 3 months or less than a month, it starts peeling off. This wallpaper is economical and hassle-free. Once installed, and if you decide to replace your wallpaper, it's easy to remove it and will not cause any damage to the wall, and will not leave any residue marks on the wall. What I have here is our range of printable interior decorations, such as glass decoration, curtains, upholstery, and as well our wallpaper. If you want to know more about our products, just visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Once again, I'm Zaid and thank you for watching.